Frontier Intelligence just broke the golden rule of AI, and it fits under your desk. You can run the smartest open model on the planet on a single graphics card. Meta just dropped Llama 4, and it changes everything for how you build with AI. For years, the best AI meant renting compute from big tech. You were locked in, your data was exposed, the rules could change overnight. You felt the pain of API rate limits. You've watched costs spike when usage grew. That era is over. Llama 4 flips the script. You get frontier performance without the leash. So here's the real question. How do you get frontier agentic power on a single GPU without giving up control? You probably think capable agents require massive data centers and locked-in APIs. That's the trap. The truth is, Llama 4 proves you can run efficient, multimodal agents locally, fully open, fully yours. Think of a standard chatbot like a vending machine. You press a button, it spits out a response. That's it. Llama 4 is different. It's like a junior colleague. You hand it a goal. It doesn't just guess. It plans the steps. It breaks the big task into small actions. It uses tools like APIs and code. It observes the results. If something fails, it adjusts. It keeps going until the job is done. This is agentic behavior. You stop typing instructions. You start assigning outcomes. But an agent can't be a good colleague if it's blind to the world. In a second, I'll show you how Llama 4 actually sees the world. Real-world work isn't just text. It's screenshots, documents, visual data. Llama 4 is natively multimodal. It reads text and images in the same flow. No hacks, no separate models. This matters because agents need to see to act. Imagine an agent that reads a PDF, extracts the data, and updates your spreadsheet. Text-only models struggle with the PDF layout. Llama 4 sees the table structure. It spots errors in a UI screenshot. It handles the messy reality of your workflow. And that visual power is just the start. Here's how it stays fast enough to actually run complex loops. Speed is everything when an agent juggles multiple steps. Most models choke under the load, but Llama 4 uses a secret weapon to stay light on a single GPU. Stick around, because the architecture shift is what makes this possible. Let's look under the hood. Llama 4 uses a mixture of experts architecture. It activates only the relevant specialists for each input. Think of it like a team of experts. You don't wake up the whole team for every question. You only wake up the specialist you need. Massive parameter counts, tiny inference cost. This allows frontier reasoning on a single H100. You get the brain of a supercomputer with the footprint of a desktop. But the hardware isn't the only game changer. It's who holds the keys. Open weights versus closed API changes everything. With Llama 4, you download the model, you run it locally, or in your private cloud, you fine-tune it for your exact use case. No rate limits, no pricing surprises. Your data never leaves your machine. You own the pipeline. So what does this mean for what you can run right now? Llama 4, Scout and Maverick variants deliver frontier agentic performance. They combine native multimodality, MOE efficiency, and expanded context. Expanded context is vital. Agents need to remember long chains of tool calls. They can handle complex workflows without losing track. Without long context, an agent forgets the goal after 10 steps. Llama 4 keeps the chain intact. You get a deployable foundation for autonomous agents that can see, reason, and act. With the open weight freedom to build exactly what you need. Frontier agentic AI doesn't require a data center. It requires the right architecture and open access. The takeaway is simple. The barrier to building real AI agents just collapsed. You have the tools. Next video, we're going to build a working agent using Llama 4 in Mind Studio. We'll automate a real workflow from start to finish. You won't want to miss the build. Subscribe now so you catch it. That's the full picture. If this made it click, tap subscribe. There's a new AI explainer here every day. And tap the video on screen to keep going. See you in the next one.